Good morning to everyone. Today we have to discuss regarding the data processing circuits. In case of a data processing circuit, there is a few types of the multiplexers are there. Namely, there is a 2:1 and 4:1 and 8:1 and 16:1 multiplexers are there. So we have to discuss regarding the mux. Mux means what? It has a single input and it has a number of inputs but only one output. Say here it is a n number of inputs is there. Depends upon the input. There is a selected lines are to be chosen. For example, in case of a 2:1, there is a 2 data lines. 2 is indicates as a number of data input lines. Depends upon that data line, there is a selected inputs are there. So according to that, here it is shown the multiplexer block diagram of a 2:1 is there. It has a 2 inputs, 2 to the power of n. N is nothing but number of inputs. Sorry, number of selected inputs. So here, that's why it is a 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but the data inputs are 2. Again, there is a single output, that is a y. Again, the selected lines, it is a indicates as an n number of selected lines is there. That's why here it is only one selected line that is to be denoted as a S0. Here in the second figure, so here it is shown, it is a 2:1 multiplexer. It has a number of data input lines are D0 and D1 is there. Again the selected line is S0. There is a special enable condition is given in case of a 2:1 mux. It has the output, a single output, y is equals to, there is a equation is given in the next y is equals to S0 bar D0 plus S0 D1 is there. So here this figure 1 shows the block diagram of a 2:1 multiplexer. Multiplexer is nothing but it is a data selector from the source which is to be comes from out. So the only depends upon the selected input, the output can be chosen. So here there is a truth table is given. It has a enable input E is there. Again the selected inputs are S0, only single selected line is there. The output is Y. The depends upon the enable condition is given here. When it is a low state is there, the selected input is chosen. The selected input S0 to be 0. At that instant, the D0 is on the line. Again, when the condition is that when enable input is kept. In the second case is also it is a 0 is there. At that instant, the selected input is high state. Then the source, the D0 is on the line at the output. So similarly, when it is a kept according to the table will be summarized the operation of a 2:1 mux is there. When enable signal is kept as in a high state, so the selected input, whatever it may be, it is a X is denotes as a don't care condition. At that instant, the output is 0. So here it is a logical diagram is given. It is by using the 2 AND gates and one is the OR gate is there. Again the 2 are the NOT gates. The figure this one shows that it is a logical diagram of an 2:1. So according to that, so we can write the Boolean expression for the output response y is equals to S0 bar D0 plus S0 D1. It is a logical diagram of an 2:1. So So here it is one figure is given. It is a figure is given. The different source, multiple sources is coming. For example, it is given as a mobile, laptop, internet. Again, there is the optical communications. So here it is a number of inputs. It is given as a 4:1 box is there. In case of a 2:1, there is only the data lines are 2 can be taken. Then the destination as it is shows as it is the output response can be called as a destination. So we can go for similarly. It is a 4:1 multiplexer. So in case of a 4:1 multiplexer, it has a number of. So in the previous discussion, in case of a 2:1 multiplexers, the data inputs are D0 and D1 is there. But here, in case of a 4:1 or 4:1 multiplexer, it is a data lines are D0, D1 and D2, D3. Again, there is a selected lines can be taken here as an A and B instead of S0 and S1. So again, the output response is to be Y. So this table will be summarize the operation of an 4:1 multiplexer is there. So in this case, in this circuit diagram, the enable condition is not given. So here we can, if you are interested, we can give the enable to the all the gates when it is kept as in a low state. At that instant, according to the table, when the condition, there is a 4 cases will be arise as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. At that instance, depends upon the selected inputs when we have to choose. When enable condition is not mentioned here, enable is kept as it is a low state. At that instant, when both selected lines A and B are kept as a 0, 0, at that instant, the source D0 is on the line. Depends upon the selection input 0 and 1. A is 1 and B is 0. At that instant, the Y at the output is D1 is on the line. So in the same cases, so we can choose the selected lines. We can get the output responses at the output. So again here it is a so the logical equation y is equals to S1, S0 and I0, S1 bar plus S0 bar, I0 plus S1, S0, S1 bar, S0, I1 plus S1, S0 bar, I2, again S1, S0, I3 is shown. The output response is to be taken as an instead of I0, I1, I2, I4, I3, we can take D0, D1, D2, D3 also. It is shown as a logical diagram. So again, similarly, we can go for 8:1 multiplexer and 16:1 multiplexer also there. So here, in case of an 8:1 multiplexer, so there is a 8 data lines. The only single output response is there. By using the 4:1 and 2:1 multiplexer also, we have to implement the 8:1 multiplexer. So if it is not given in the syllabus, but we can go ahead if we are interested. So it is given figure. Eight is to one multiplexer is there. It has the number of inputs are. In case of an 8:1 multiplexer, I have to draw that figure. 8:1 multiplexer. 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 it has a y is the output response. Here there is a 8 are the input lines. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay. So the y is the output. There is a S0, S1 and S2. These are the selected inputs, and these are the data inputs. Y is the output response. It is a 8:1 multiplexer. So here, according to the principle 2 to the power of n is equals to 8. N is nothing but, here it is a selected inputs are 3 is there. The selected inputs are 3. That's why we have to write 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8 input data lines can be taken by using the 8:1 marks. Here the data inputs are D0 to D7. It is the 8 data input lines are there. There is a selected lines of 3, S0, S1 and S2. Then the output response y is equals to, it is a Boolean expressions, we have to get it. So here it is mentioned in this circuit diagram. The truth table is also given here. It is the selected inputs S0, S1 and S2 is there. So depends upon when all inputs are 0, at that instant the D0 is on the line. Again in the same fashion, the 001 means it is a logically low state, and S1 is also logically low state. S0 is logically high state. At that instant the D1 is on the line is there. So depends upon the selected input conditions, the output response depends upon the sources. We have to take the output response. The y is equals to, S0, S1, S2, all are bars into D0 plus, again, so according to the condition, S1, S0, S1, S2. These are the two bars, again D1 plus so on. We can write the equation.